Hey guys, Patrick here with Armor Tools, and today I'm going to give you a short demo of the Armor Auto-Jig and the features that make it so much more efficient than other pocket hole jigs. And this thing is sweet. It's a fully automated jig system that self-adjusts to ensure the correct angles and depths are drilled. I'm going to show you how it works and walk you through it. Now step one is easy enough. Just take a piece of material and clamp it into the jig. Of course, this jig features Armor's patented auto-adjusting clamp, so you can clamp varying thicknesses without having to readjust. And there you go, step one, and everything is done. Once you've clamped your material securely in the jig, your drill guide block is automatically set to reflect the appropriate height, and your drill bit collar is automatically set to the correct depth. Just tighten your collar with this little wrench, and you're good to go. It's that quick and that easy. With other jig systems, you'd still be setting your guide block. By adding this tool into your shop, it's guaranteed to increase your workflow. Now before we drill, I wanted to mention that the jig platform is set to the height of your standard 2x4, so there's no need to buy any additional wings or extensions. Now let's go ahead and drill this demonstration piece. There you go, perfect pocket holes. The last cool feature is the color-coded screw system. This jig gives you the optimal screw length to use and even differentiates screws by color. So you have this demo piece that's 3/4 inch thick, and it corresponds to the yellow screw. So you just pick up the yellow screw and you're good to go. The Armor Auto-Jig is available now at armor-tools.com, where you can take advantage of the Make the Trade tool exchange and upgrade your old blue jig for an Armor Auto-Jig. Just follow the link. Built for the builders. Arm your shop with Armor Tools.